Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 66 Reg F33 320D M Sport, presented in Melbourne Red, and alongside that of course a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. We've also added a brand new set of 20-inch 405 M style alloys. At the front of the car you can see the LED headlights the car comes equipped with, alongside the very nice gloss front splitter and matching kidney grills, which works really well with the Melbourne Red. Down the side you can see the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals. The car also comes with the sun protection glazing. For the interior on this 3 Series, we've got a full black Dakota leather, and for both drivers and passengers you can see there we've got the electric lumbar option as well as the heated seats. It's a 6-speed manual vehicle, and we shall of course show you more of the interior features shortly. For rear passengers, you'll find a very spacious and comfortable 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench. Also, this car does come with the split folding seat option, which is of course great for adding that little bit of extra room. Before hopping around to the rear of the car, we'll again show you off the 20-inch wheels, which suit the 3 Series very well, and especially so on a Melbourne Red car such as this one. At the back we've got the high gloss rear boot spoiler and a matching rear diffuser. And whilst you take a look around, the boot space is of course worth mentioning. I'll leave all of the relevant contact links and website links also in the description for you, so you can check out more information on this wonderful car, including all of the prices and funding options. From there you can also view all of our other incredible examples. Round at the driver's side, again you can see how clean and tidy this vehicle really is, as well as how well those wheels suit it. And we shall now go ahead and take a seat inside, not before quickly popping that seat up and showing you the other side of the rear bench. And there you go, everything very clean and tidy as it should be. Taking the seat inside now and beginning with the BMW business navigation and media screen. In terms of multimedia, we have got external devices including a CD drive. We've got USB, AUX and Bluetooth audio. There is of course DAB. Satellite navigation, really important feature of this one is of course how easy it is to use, like they are in all of the BMWs. Of course that's really important when you're out and about, you quickly need to use it. There's nothing worse than a complicated sat-nav system. Bluetooth telephone, as I've mentioned. Back to the main menu now. In just a second I'll show you the service requirement screen. Down here, dual climate controls, switches for our heated seats. In terms of the overall mileage for the car, it's covered just over 45,000 miles. We've got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on that multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And in terms of the vehicle's service history, as you can see there is 2 stamps via BMW, and we shall be shortly servicing the car ourselves in our in-house workshop, bringing that up to 3 stamps on the iDrive. So thank you all very much for watching the walk around video. On behalf of myself and all of my colleagues here at Your Next Car, we do hope you've enjoyed this walk around, and we shall of course look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you once again, and bye bye.